So hello guys, today we are going to see how the market based 2 and 3 combinedly strategy works. By combining market based 2.0 and market based 3.0, we are going to see how we should take trades, where should be our stop loss, what should be our targets. We are going to check the accuracy of this strategy and how does it works. So I am on Euro JPY chart. I'm going to select the 30-minute time frame. First we will have to identify the trend by selecting 30-minute here first. I'm going to minimize the market base 3.0 for a while. So now our first step is, let me write it down here. Our first step should be identify the trend on 30-minute time frame chart. How we are going to do this now? We are going to see in details the strategy today, so it will take some time. So yeah, we are going to check the marks on 30-minute by market base 2.0. These are the mark labels we are getting. We will select this vertical line here. Alright, we got our last signal on market base 2.0 here, which is sell. So I'm going to draw a line here, a vertical line. It will tell us from here till now we are in a downtrend. Alright, we are not going to take trade according to this sell for now. It's just identification of the trend. We will take more confirmation for more accurate trades on different time frame now. Just do it. I'm going to check the last signal. Here we got a buy signal, which means we are going in uptrend now. We can see we here got buy signal and from here we got uptrend. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just making it green so I can remember it was an uptrend. Just before that we got sell signal. Many of you lost trades in these type of condition. You just sell it here and the trend goes up, which will hit your stop loss, but don't do this. Here we got sell signal, which means we are going in a downtrend, but it didn't go. So here I'm making it red so I can remember it was a downtrend. I am going to mark few others for just back testing. We got here a buy signal. I'm just drawing a vertical line here in green. Alright, so I'm going to test this area with more confirmations here. Let me measure this. It is around 9 to 10 days time. Alright, so now Now we know we are in a downtrend because our last signal on market beast 2.0 is sell. It means we are going in a downtrend. Alright, what will we do now? Our second step should be go on a lower time frame. Because we are scalping, we will trade on lower time frames. We are not going to trade on 30-minute time frame. Alright, so now I will come to my main time frame where I am going to take trades. So from 30 minutes I will just identify the trend. Now I will trade on 5-minute time frame. Let's trade on 5-minute time frame. We can trade on 15 and 30 minute as well, but I will prefer 5-minute. So go on a lower time frame, 15 time frame example, 5-minute example, 5-minute TF time frame, right? And we will take trades on here. I'm just switching to 5-minute time frame here. Now we can see a lot of signals here. Some are wins, some are losses. But I'm going to give you more confirmed trades strategy now. So I drew this red line here because we got sell signal here on 13-minute time frame on this spot. Let me make it more clear. On this line here, we got sell signal on 30-minute time frame. Let me type it. Downtrend. Start. Here our downtrend was started. Now what we will do, when the downtrend started, we are going to take only shorts and sells, only going to take these sells on 5-minute time frame. Now let's see, we are in a downtrend. The first signal in downtrend we got buy. We are not going to take this. When we got sell, we are going to take this one. Where is our short tool? Here it is. We got sell signal here. We are going to simply take it. What will be our stop loss? Our stop loss will be just above our, you can set, let me show you more detail. I'm going to delete these drawings. Now we got sell signal on this area. We take it. I'm going to set the stop loss around here, just above the last blue line. This blue line was our last support, so we can test on this blue line and then we can go down. So I'm going to set the stop loss just before this blue line. Let me make it more clear. This was our last support, which market beast 2.0 gave us. So I took the trade here. I'm going to set stop loss around here, which is 0.12 stop loss, and I'm going to set the target according to this. Let's check this. We are going to set the target according to our risk reward. When it reaches 2, it means we are going to, if we are going to lose $1 on stop loss, we are going to get $2 on target hit. Alright, so we set this, and the first target is hit here, target hit. Alright, you can use trailing stop losses as well for more profits. Like here you can take 50% profit and you can set stop loss on your entry. If it will go more down, you will get more profit, and if it come back to our entry, we will simply close the trade in 50% profit that we took already here. Alright, so it was a good trade. Let me make it here. We took this trade. Check our risk reward here, 4.62. If we have invested $100 here and we risk just $100, if the stop loss is hit, we are going to lose $100. But if it hits the target, we are going to gain $462. By risking just $100, we are going to make $462 and more. The chart dumped more. Look at this. Let me check the risk reward now. If we have invested just $100 on this entry, by risking just $100, we just made $930. Look, it is 1 by 9.3 risk reward trade, which is, amazing trade in no time. Alright, so let me go for more trades. We are still in a downtrend because on 30-minute we are in a sell signal. We didn't got any buy signal yet, so we can check more sell signals. We got buy signal here. After that sell signal, we are not going to take this because we know we are in a downtrend on 30-minute time frame. Alright, so we are going to ignore this buy signal, and then we got the sell signal again. We are going to take this sell signal because we are in a downtrend. So here we got the sell signal. I'm going to check the last swing high. What was our swing high? Now check, this is our support, but it is on our entry. So I'm not going to make this stop loss around this. We can take this much risk. Alright, so what I will do, I will check the last swing highs. Our last swings high are this. You can see this is our good support where the price stuck 1, 2, 3 and 4 times. So I will just make this area stop loss. We can use these FVG lines as well, these gray lines as strong supports as well. So our last support was that, and we are going to take the trade with this stop loss. You can see this was our big candle, so it will be our swing high, and we are going to set the target according to our risk reward. If we are taking $100 risk, we are going to make $200. Look at this, 2.05. So our target hit again. It didn't come back for the retest because our last support was on our entry already. So we made another good trade here, good profit, 4.9 around. Let me go here. It is 1:5 trade successful. So if we have invested $100 here, we have made around $500 by risking just $100. I'm talking in leverages, alright. So yeah, we forgot the market-based 3-point indicator. It is very strong and potential based indicator. It was our buy, we didn't get it. Here we got early sell on market-based 2.0, and then the trend continues in market-based 3.0 as well. We got sell signals here as well, and here you guys can see whenever the market goes in this kind of consolidation. Let me draw this in this kind of consolidation. Here the market will hit our most of the stop losses. Alright, so we are going to avoid these kind of market. How we can do that? Let me draw something. So here it was our clear downtrend, and here the market goes in so narrow band. Look at this. Wherever the market support and resistance gets narrow, we are going to avoid the zone for a while. Here it was the indication that this was our support. Wait. So we were in a downtrend, clear downtrend. We hit this, it was our support. We goes down, we goes up on the resistance. This red line was our resistance. We got down, it was our support. We got up, it was our resistance. Support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Which means we are in consolidation phase. Here we already knew that we are in a consolidation state. Till here we were not getting any signals. We know we are in a consolidation phase, so we are not going to take the next few trades for a while. We got the buy signal. Of course we are not going to get this because we are in a downtrend on 30-minute time frame. Let me show you what I mean by 30-minute time frame downtrend. We got the sell signal on 30-minute time frame, and we are still in a downtrend, which means we are in a downtrend. Alright, let's go back to 5-minute time frame. So we are in a consolidation phase clearly, so we are going to ignore this sell signal here. Let me mark it so I can show you why we are going to skip this sell signal here. Because we are in already downtrend and we are getting sell signal on 5-minute as well, but we are ignoring it. Why? We are in consolidation state. And other reason to ignore this sell trade on 5-minute time frame is that, let's go back to 30-minute time frame, and let's check where we got the sell signal. Here we got the sell signal on 5-minute time frame. But as you can see, we are in a downtrend, but the candles are moving above this green line. This green line is acting as support and resistance as well. Whenever we are below this red line, the line goes red, and this means we are bearish. The volume is bearish. Till here our volume was too bearish, and here the candle formed above this line and the line goes green, which means we are in a downtrend, but the volume is getting bullish. The bulls are coming. So here from this to this down, let me mark it. From this to this zone, we are bullish in a downtrend. So we are going to ignore these areas as well, where we check the trend on 30 minutes. We are in bearish trend, but wherever the line goes against in our trend like this, we are in a bearish trend, but the bulls are coming, the line goes green. We are going to ignore these trades as well. Let's go back to 5 minutes. So this is our consolidation area. We know the bulls are here in bearish trend, so we are going to skip all these trades. We got the buy signal here. Of course we are not going to get this one because we are in a downtrend on 30 minutes. We got the sell signal again. We are not going to get this one because we are in a consolidation phase first. Let me write it down. What we are going to ignore. What we are going to ignore first, the consolidation phase. The consolidation zone on 5-minute time frame. And the second thing we are going to ignore, we are going to go back on 30-minute time frame. Ignore the opposite line zone. What I mean by opposite line zone, I hope you got this now. Let me make it more clear again. Let me revise that. We are in a downtrend. We are in a downtrend now. Let me write it. Let me just make it by symbols. We are in a downtrend. How can I zoom it? Right. If we are in a downtrend on 30 minutes, go back on 30-minute time frame and ignore the opposite line zone. What I mean by opposite line zone, this, we are in a downtrend, this red line is going, and suddenly the candle formed above this line and the line goes green, which means it is our opposite zone. So our opposite zone is this green thing. Make it green. This is our opposition, the green line. So here to here we are going to ignore the trades, and from here we are getting again the sell signals. Alright, because the candle closed below the line and the line turned red here. as you can see. Let me zoom it more. Look at this. Alright, so I'm going back to 5-minute time frame where we are getting our trades, the main original trades. Now we know why we skipped these trades. Alright, why we skipped this trade? Because we are in consolidation phase on 5-minute time frame. As we can see, our supports and our resistance are very close and very narrow. Right. Another reason to ignore these trades is from market base 3.2. Look at this zone from here to here. Wait. From here to here, how? Look at this zone just on market base 3.2. How messy the things are. First we got buy signals, but the volume was too low. The candle was too small. Then the things go on consolidation. Then we again got so many buy signals here. Then suddenly we got the sell signals, which means the bulls are and the bears are confused. Both are buying and selling very low. The market can be manipulated here. So we are going to ignore these kind of phases as well, where when we were taking these trades, we were so sure the sells were dominating the market. The bulls were very low, very weak. Here, look at this. The sells and the bulls are fighting. Alright. We use this indicator, market base 3.0, for more confirmed trades. For now, I'm not going to mess things up with market base 3.0. I'm just turning it off, minimizing it, so we can learn market base 2.0 first. Then we can move on more advanced things. Alright. So I am going to ignore these trades because we are in consolidation phase. Second, we are on opposite trend on 30-minute. Got this buy signal, ignored. We are going to ignore this sell signal here as well because we are in opposite direction. Till here we were getting bullish volume on 30-minute. Look at this. But here we got a selling pressure, and the candle closes below the line and the line turns red. Let's go back to 5-minute time frame. Here, alright, we got the sell signal. We are in a selling condition on market base 3.0 as well. I was talking about this potential thing. Whenever the consolidation ends, it gives us potential buy and sell signals. We are in a sell signal. We are in a sell signal on market base 2.0 here as well. Everything is red, everything is bearish here. It means this is our perfect trade. So I'm going to take a short trade here. Everything is bearish. I'm going to set the stop loss on this resistance here, and the target would be our risk reward 2. It means we risked $100 and we are going to make $200. It hit the target completely. We even got around 3.5 risk reward on this trade as well. And then we will look for more sell signals here because we are still in a downtrend. We didn't got any sell signal here as such. We are on a live market. Let me hide this. Alright, this was our selling criteria. How many trades we got? We got we got 3 trades, 3 potential trades. All 3 were win. The first trade was 3.93, which means risk reward 4, risk reward 5, risk reward 3.5. You can calculate the profits here. We just minimized and ignored the false trade that were causing you losses. Let's go back to 30-minute again to find the trend, to identify the previous trends in the trades that came. This area is sorted. We got 3 trades in this area. Now let's see a buy condition, a buying zone. Look at this. We got the buy signal here on 30-minute. We are going to draw a vertical line, green line. Alright. We will go back to 5-minute. Switch the time frame. We will go back to that zone, that how much the trend was right, how many trades we got and how many of them were in profits. So here our trend started on this blue in this green line. Let me make it more visible. So yeah, the trend is bullish from here. Let me write bullish trend started. Let's make it green because it is bullish. The green represent bullish signs. So yeah, the trend is bullish from here. First, we are in a 5-minute time frame. We are going to simply follow the signals from here. Only we are going to take the green signals, the buy signals here. So we got sell signal here. It went down, but we are not going to take the risk. So I'm going to, where is our brush tool? I am going to ignore this sell signal here. We got the buy signal here. Alright. We are going to take this buy signal because we are in a bullish trend. So I'm going to draw long tool. We got the buy signal here. What should be our stop loss? Our last stop loss. Our last support is around here, which is 0.2%. Right. Our last swing as well, it is here. So I'm going to make it. Let's focus on risk reward. We are going to take 1 ratio 2. We are going to lose $100, and if we hit the target, we are going to make $200. So as you guys can see, we hit the target here. Alright, hit the target here. For now, let's go. We got the sell signal here. We are going to ignore this sell signal as well, and we suddenly got the buy signal here. Look at this. We are going to take this buy signals because we are not in consolidation. We are not going against the trend. So let's just buy this, and the stop loss will be around here, just below the blue line, which was our support. Going to make it 1:2 as well. Look at this, it's 2 risk reward. It went so high. We are going to ignore this sell signal because we are in a bullish trend. We got the buy signal. We are going to take it because we are not in a consolidation. We are in uptrend and we are not against the trend. So here we got somewhere our trade, our entry, our stop loss will be somewhere here, and our target will be our last swing low was this candle. We are going to take it. We hit that target as well. We came here. We are going to ignore this sell signal. We got the buy signal here. We are going to take this one as well because we don't know the next movements. I'm going to be realistic. We are going to make it 0.2. Here we hit the stop loss, as you guys can see. Now why we hit the stop loss? Because the trend changed. Let me check this trade on 30-minute time frame. Are we against the trend or not? Let me mark it so we can know. Got the buy signal here. Let me check this on 30-minute. Are we against the trend? Why we hit the stop loss? What was the reason? Did we get any confirmation or not? So on 30-minute, let me go there. From here to here we were in a uptrend. Look at this, the line is green. We were taking nice longs, okay? We were in a uptrend, but from here the volume goes against our bullish trend. The volume was bearish. I mentioned it here, where we are going to ignore the trades. The consolidation zone on 5-minute, we didn't got any consolidation phase on 5-minute, so we continued. And the second point is, go back on 30-minute time frame and ignore the opposite line zone. We will check the 30-minute time frame again and again while we are taking the trades. Before taking this one, we didn't check it. That's why our stop loss got hit. Let me remove this trade because it was our false entry. And I'm going to make a box here. It should be here. From here to go on, our price goes against our trend. So we are not going to take any more buys here, alright? Here the trend changed as well when we got into bearish trend, as you guys can see. So in bullish trend we got 3 trades, 3 winning trades and 0 loss. Alright, this is how we do such things. Let me test this one as well, because it was sudden sell and buy trade kind of manipulation. So let me test this one as well. Before that we were bullish, clear bullish. From here to here we were bullish. Right, let's try this one. From here to around this zone, we are in a blue zone. Let's go to 5 minutes. There is so much on charts. From here to here we were bearish, the trend was bearish, but we didn't got any sell signal in this zone, so this is clearly a manipulation or ignored zone. I hope you are getting my point. We got the sell signal here, but we are not going to take this because we got into bearish trend from here on this red line. Let me mark it as well. From here we got into bearish trend. But we didn't get any sell trade here, so leave it. This was our strategy to use market base 2.0. This is the summary of the video, this tutorial. We can use market base 3.0 with it as well. We can check market base 3.0, is it bullish or bearish on 30-minute and 5-minute simultaneously. This is very strong and potential indicator. It has so much potential to crack the scalps. So you can use these both. The market base 1.0 is not that much potential anymore. I personally use this in this strategy. I use market base 2.0 and I combine it with market base 3.0, and I use the same strategy. I use some more advanced things as well. I will teach you in future. So this was it. Thank you for your time. Now let's practice this. I'm going to give you an assignment. All the Discord members should do it for better results. Practice this strategy on 4, let's make it 5 different pairs. Backtest strategy for 1 week. Only then jump into real And this was our today's summary. I hope you got the points. A real trader always follows risk